Customer support agents have one of the toughest jobs in the enterprise. They have to juggle so many process-oriented tasks that they often struggle to deliver on their core mission of quality, empathetic customer service. Generative AI creates this great opportunity to empower agents in a couple of different ways. First, it can take a lot of the basic, repetitive tasks off the agent's plate so they can show up in a very human way to solve higher-level problems. Next, AI can augment their performance because it knows the context, it knows the customer's history and their sentiment, and can also retrieve information more quickly and effectively for that agent. It can even coach them up and get new agents up to speed faster than traditional coaching. Generative AI really unlocks the fundamental desire to connect in a human way that is at the heart of great customer service, because human beings love to point and say, "I solved that problem."